So I'm heading to my acupuncture session and I'm already running late, a couple minutes, not too much, thankfully. Went to see my Chinese doctor, Yukino. She's awesome. I look forward to this every time I have a session. I mostly go for my hand pain. I have a lot of hand and wrist pain, but it really helps with everything else that I'm going through. If I have a headache, if I have some stomach issues, if I'm under a lot of stress and pressure, I just tell my doctor and she's like, oh, she just puts a couple of needles here and there and it just gets the chi flowing. I love it. If you have never tried acupuncture, I highly suggest at least once in your life, just give it a shot. Be open-minded and see what it does for you. It's really been helping me and I love it. So let's go see Dr. Yukino.
Sunny dancing and everything's fine. A gentle breeze, the city's slow. I take a seat, let the moment flow. A cup of coffee, sugar falls in.
I just wanted to mention something because I feel like a lot of people don't know about acupuncture, what it is, how it looks like. They've seen it in movies and TV shows and they just imagine this laying on a bed and then you have so many needles all over, but that's really not the case. What actually happens is you go inside, you tell your doctor what's going on with you, where you have issues, some areas of concern in your body. Doctor then goes to figure out where the chi is stuck and then places needles strategically over your body. So if you, let's say, have a headache, then usually you get needles around your toes and feet and things like that. So it's never, if you have issues, let's say if you think you have migraines or headaches, usually they don't put needles there, they put it somewhere else to another trigger point in your body where they think the chi is stuck and the needles will help move it along. So you actually don't get a ton of needles. You maybe get 10-20 needles max per session and it's not that painful. You still feel like a little pinch, but there's no blood and it's not that painful. It's just a temporary discomfort, but then you go into this relaxation state where you feel so amazing. Time goes by. 30 minutes for me goes like this. I'm like, how did this end? Can this last longer, please? So it's awesome and I'm gonna try to get some footage for you guys. We'll see if I can ask my doctor to take some videos. I hope she's gonna be fine with it.
The sun dips low, the shadows play. Everything slows down, it's the perfect day. With every breath the calm sinks in. This is where my joy begins. I find the magic in the everyday. In the sweetest sips, the time slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free. In these sweet moments, just being me. In these sweet moments, I feels new. And all I need is right here too. No rush, no race, just the afternoon glow. In this gentle time, I let everything flow. The world keeps turning, but I stand still, caught in the magic, the quiet thrill. In these sweet moments, I find my place. In the warmth of the sun, with a smile
Just
on my
finished.
face.
I needed a couple of minutes to get back to myself. I was so out of it in a good, positive way. I fell asleep, I think 3 or 4 times during the session. I caught myself dozing off and falling asleep completely, and then I would wake up and come back. It was so good. I had some stomach issues and I told the doctor and she put needles in my stomach, but she did it gently and I could really feel something moving over there. And as the session kept moving on, I felt like my body parts or something inside my body was coming to its place. It was incredible. And then I just kept getting more and more relaxed until I fell asleep, and then I woke up and then I fell asleep again. It was incredible. I'm so relaxed right now. There's no pain in my body. I just feel so good and it was incredible.